today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular ways creators are turning their TikTok accounts into actual income, which is brand sponsorships. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever seen a TikTok where someone is casually showing off a product and thought, how do they get paid to do that? Stick around because that's exactly what we're breaking down in this video. The truth is, you actually don't need millions of followers to land sponsorship deals. Brands are looking for engaged creators in all niches. Whether you talk about fitness, cooking, finance, or even just share funny stories, by the end of this video, you'll know how sponsorships work, what brands are looking for, and the steps you can take to start earning money from them today. Let's get into it. Let's start off with why this opportunity exists. TikTok has become one of the most influential platforms in the world. It's where trends start, where products go viral overnight, and where brands can reach audiences they can't always capture with traditional ads. Instead of paying for generic commercials, brands prefer to partner with creators who already have trust with their audience. When you recommend a product in an authentic way, your viewers are much more likely to pay attention. That's why companies are willing to invest thousands of dollars into influencer partnerships. It's more effective than traditional marketing. Let's dive into the different types of sponsorships. Not all sponsorships look the exact same, and it helps to understand the main types so you know what to pitch. Sometimes it's a simple product exchange. The brand sends you their product, and in return, you create content featuring it. This is really common when you're first starting out. Then there are paid posts where you agree on a set fee to feature the product in one or more videos. These can range anywhere from 100 to thousands depending on your audience size and engagement rate. Some brands want ongoing partnerships as well. So a series of videos over weeks or months, or even an ambassador role where you represent them long term. These deals often pay more but require consistent posting and alignment with the brand's message. And then there's affiliate style sponsorships where you promote a product and get paid a commission on sales. This can be a great way to build passive income while still working with brands. Step 1. Build your platform with intent. Before you reach out to brands, you need a TikTok presence that looks sponsor ready. That doesn't mean having a million followers, but it does mean having a clear niche, consistent posting, and an engaged audience. Brands want to see that your content aligns with their target customer. For example, if you post daily recipes, a kitchenware brand will see your immediate alignment. If your content is all over the place, it's harder for them to know if you're a good fit. A great tip is to treat your profile like a portfolio. Use your bio, pinned videos, and highlights to showcase your style and personality. And when it comes to making graphics, captions, or even polished sponsorship deck, tools like Canva are perfect. You can design a professional looking media kit in minutes, which shows brands that you take partnerships seriously. If you are not familiar with Canva, I've left that link down in the description below. I use Canva every single day. They probably have a media kit in here as a template. They have a template for everything. So even let's just come in here, we can customize this. All you have to do is add in your colors, your vibe. If the neutrals aren't your vibe, change them so they fit. So this even has like a full on, this is about me, my specialties, social media stats, audience insights, social media reach, the process, recent partnerships. Okay, this is done and done. So all you have to do is come in here and put your information in. That's what I love about Canva, is all of their templates. I will say they do have a free version, but for a lot of these templates, you do have to be upgraded to the pro plan. I personally use this in my business every single day. I love it. It's easy to use. I actually want to go in and use it because I think it's fun. So again, if you want to check out Canva, that link is down below. Step number 2 is to know your numbers. When brands consider sponsoring a creator, they don't just look at follower count, they look at engagement. Things like average views per video, comments, shares, and likes matter more than raw numbers. So before you pitch, make sure you know your stats. Take note of your follower growth, average views, and engagement rate. If you don't feel comfortable pulling all of this together yourself, you can even hire someone on Fiverr to design a professional media kit or analytics report for you. It's a small investment that can make you look a lot more professional to brands. I added that link to Fiverr down below if you want to check them out. Step number 3 is pitching to brands. A lot of creators wait for brands to find them, but one of the fastest ways to land sponsorships is to pitch directly. Start by making a list of brands you already love and use. When you reach out, explain who you are, what type of content you create, and why your audience would love their product. Keep it short and focus on the value you bring to them, not just what you want from them. It also helps to have a professional presence outside of TikTok. Having your own website where brands can see your past work, testimonials, or a portfolio of collaboration goes a long way. There are a ton of hosting and website builders out there, but one that we really love is Bluehost. It's really simple to create a site even if you're not tech savvy, and it adds a layer of credibility that sets you apart from other creators. creators. Step 4, organize your deals. As soon as you start landing sponsorships, things can get overwhelming quickly. You might have multiple deadlines, different deliverables, and brand guidelines to juggle. This is where organization is everything. And tools like ClickUp or Notion make it really easy to track each deal, keep track of what's due, and even set reminders for posting. Some creators set up a board where each brand has its own task, deadline, and notes, so nothing slips through the cracks. Like I mentioned, Notion is another option, and it lets you create custom dashboards for sponsorship tracking. Some creators even share part of their Notion dashboard with their brand so they can collaborate in real time. Both are amazing ways to stay professional and avoid missing deadlines that could damage your reputation. Here is my ClickUp, so you can kind of see, you can organize everything in board, list, dashboard, table, just so you know, okay, maybe even you create a separate space for reaching out to brands. So it's like, okay, this one, here is a brain dump of all of the brands I want to reach out to. And then you have a pipeline of like, okay, here are all of the lists. As soon as I reach out to them once, we move them over here. Maybe we reach out to them a second time, move them over here, maybe accepted or in progress or in conversation. You can move it to another pipeline. It's just really easy to keep everything organized. Step 5, expanding beyond TikTok. While TikTok is the starting point, brands love creators who can influence across multiple platforms. This is where building an email list can really set you apart. If you can show a sponsor that you not only have TikTok reach, but also an engaged email list, you instantly become more valuable. There are so many email marketing platforms out there, but some of my favorites are Beehiiv and Flowdesk. They make it super easy to build and grow an email list alongside your TikTok. You can use it to share weekly tips or bonus content or even brand promotions. The benefit of having an email list is rather than relying on the algorithm to hopefully show your videos and posts to your audience, this goes directly to their inbox, right? With an email newsletter, you are delivered straight to their inbox. There's no algorithm, there's no missing anything, right? It's so powerful and really shows you have a super warm audience that are just begging for more information and to be influenced by you. So like I said, Beehiiv is a great option. Flowdesk is another great one. What I like about both of them and why I chose to share both of these with you is because they're very simple. There are some email marketing platforms that are super complicated and there's so many things you can do with it. And if you are looking for a more influencer style newsletter, these two are going to be your best bet because you might not need as many automations or anything. Maybe small automations to do a welcome sequence to introduce yourself and so people can get to know you. But other than that, having something simple like Beehiiv or Flowdesk is going to be so powerful. All you have to do to write a newsletter is click here. So here you can edit the template to obviously have your brand, your values, your words, your pictures, and then you can send it to all of your subscribers. Beehiiv too specifically, Flowdesk does not have this, but you can actually monetize it as well. So if you wanted to charge a fee for them getting your amazing knowledge, you can also do that too. Again, it's really easy to navigate and use. You can do subscribers. All of your subscribers will be here. They've got surveys, polls. You have to make a subscriber form, of course, as well, so people actually get signed up. So again, it's very easy to use, which is why Beehiiv and Flowdesk are my favorites. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to share a few things that can really hurt your chances of landing brand deals and just some mistakes to avoid. First is taking every sponsorship that comes your way. If you promote products you don't believe in, your audience is going to notice and you're going to lose trust with them fast. Focus on brands that genuinely align with your niche and your values. The second mistake is underpricing yourself. A lot of new creators are afraid to ask for fair pay, but remember, brands are paying for access to your audience and the trust that you've built. Even if you're smaller, your influence is really valuable. Finally, don't forget about disclosure. Sponsorships need to be transparent, so always mark sponsored content properly. It builds credibility with your audience and protects you legally. TikTok brand sponsorships are one of the most exciting ways to turn your content into income. You don't need millions of followers, you just need an engaged community, a professional presence, and the ability to deliver value to brands. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're trying to figure out how to actually make money as a creator. The good news is you don't need to wait until you have millions of followers. Brands are looking for real people with real communities right now. Sponsorships sound like the right next step for you. I've dropped all of the links to my favorite tools that I've mentioned down in the description below. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to make free content just like this. This channel is here to give solopreneurs, creators, and small business owners practical ways to build income streams online. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.